To compare which is larger, 1.005 to the 200th power or 2, we usually use the left subtraction method or the left division method. The left subtraction method is to calculate 1.005 to the 200th power minus 2. If the result is greater than 0, then the former is larger. If it's less than 0, then the former is smaller. The division method is to divide 1.005 to the 200th power by 2. If the result is greater than 1, then it's larger. If it's less than 1, then it's smaller. The key question is, how do we calculate 1.005 to the 200th power? Multiplying 201.005s together is impossible to calculate directly. You just can't work it out. So whether you use subtraction or division, it's very hard to compute. So what should we do with this problem? Let's take a look. Today we'll learn a very simple trick, okay? 1.005. It is 200. What does it equal? Is 1.005 simply 1 plus 0.005? Okay, so is 0.005 a fraction of 5 over 1,000? So what is it after simplification? It's 1 plus 1 over 200, right? So 1.005 is 1 plus 1 over 200. We can write it directly. 1 plus 2. What happens when we get to 1% and then expand it to the power of 200? There are 200 terms of 1 plus 1 over 200 multiplied together, but we still can't tell whether the result is greater or less than 2. The next part is very crucial. There are 200 terms of 1 plus 1 over 200. If we keep the integer 1 unchanged and increase the denominator of the fraction, say from 200 to 201, while the numerator remains 1, as the denominator increases, the value of the fraction decreases. So isn't it smaller than the original expression? Therefore, for the third term, we again increase the denominator, 1 plus 1 over 202. As the denominator increases, the value of the fraction decreases, so it keeps getting smaller, right? How small does it get? There are a total of 200 terms, so the last term would be 1 plus 1 over 399, right? From 201 to 399, there are 199 terms, and adding this one makes exactly 200 terms. All right, next comes the equal sign. 1 plus 1 over 200 is 201 over 200. Multiply, here it's 1 plus 1 over 201, which is 202. Multiply by 1 plus 1 over 202, which is 203 over 202, and so on until the last term. What is it? The numerator is 399, and 1 plus 399 is 400. At this point, you'll notice that 201, 201, 202, all the terms in between cancel out. The numerator is 400, and the denominator is 200. What is 400 divided by 200? It's equal to 2, right? This expression is greater than 2, so 1.005 to the power of 200 is greater than 2. All right, let's interact now.